Hi, I'm Rahul Panchmatia. I'm the owner of Skoda Slavia. I've come to Orchis seat covers to get leather seat covers for my car. And you can see the changes that have happened. Before and after pictures are there. I think the quality of work is phenomenal. They have done a fabulous job. And I really thank them for making my car look really, really good.